Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a couple of things. First, if you have a Western Digital hard drive and you are using the Western Digital My Cloud service, you might have noticed that it is not working since Sunday and might be wondering exactly why. So what's happening is that Western Digital, the company that makes hard drives and solid-state drives and so on, has suffered some kind of attack. They say that hackers were able to infiltrate some of its internal network, and that it may impact some of its services and products. And now we're not really sure exactly what that means. They're not really saying anything about it. So if you are using the My Cloud service, it's off right now. It's going to probably get back at some point, but we're not really sure. They're not talking about what's impacted exactly, what kind of data might have slip through. And of course there's the other aspect of if you are thinking of eventually soon buying something from them, we're not sure if the impact could actually be also on the sale of their devices. So not much information yet. It happened apparently, was discovered actually on March the 26th, and that's where we kind of wondered, what exactly is happening with their services. So this statement they actually issued is very brief, doesn't really explain much. And so if you are in the market for a Western Digital device and you find that maybe suddenly not that many devices are available, maybe it could impact even their production of device. So we don't really know and not sure yet. But they did suffer some kind of internal, probably data leak at some point. And, it's interesting because there's a lot of things that can happen, especially from a manufacturer that creates devices that are sold for PCs and for networks. So this is going to be interesting. As we get more news about it, we'll talk. And of course, it comes down to how do these things happen, and we're going to talk about it actually because it's a question I get asked all the time: is why do these data breach happen? What happens exactly? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.